the new Ninja Mega Kitchen System, featuring professional blending to instantly crush ice and frozen fruit to create restaurant-quality frozen fruit drinks and smoothies. Professional juicing to instantly pulverize and liquefy ice, entire whole fruits and vegetables, making complete nutrient juices that retain all the nutrients and fiber with no tamping and no extra water. Professional power in chef-certified food processing with an 8-cup processing bowl and professional performance in chef-certified dough mixing, making up to 2 pounds of bread dough, pizza and pasta dough, cake and cookie batters in less than 20 seconds. Plus, you'll get all that same professional power and performance in a 16-ounce single-serve cup. It will change the way you eat. It will change the way you live. If you want to look and feel your best, then you must control what goes into your body.
The single-serve blending is great for making healthy and nutritious drinks on the go. The Ninja Mega Kitchen System single serve has the high professional performance power of a blender, now in single serve cups. The assembly is easy. Let me show you how. Add ingredients to the single serve cup, making sure not to exceed the max fill line. Screw the blade tightly on the cup. Remember, even though the single-serve blades may look small, they're still very sharp. Turn the cup upside down and align the cup tabs to the motor base. Turn to the left to lock in place. You'll hear a slight click. Press the power button, and the single-serve button should be illuminated if assembled correctly. Press and hold the single-serve button until you have reached your desired consistency. If you're using ice in your beverage, try quick pulses with the single-serve button to break the ice. Once you're done blending your beverage, simply push down and turn the single-serve cup to the right to unlock and remove from the base. Twist to remove the single-serve blade and replace with your to-go lid. And enjoy your drink on the go.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.